Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson water. Fill in the blanks. When people started settling down, they looked for places near on high mountain tops and places where it is very cold. Water is present in its solid state as ice or snow. Oceans are the biggest storehouses of the world's water, but do not contain dash water. Fresh water. At home, you use water for drinking, dash and flushing. Drinking, cleaning, cooking, and flushing. We must be careful not to dash the limited water that we have and make it unfit for use. Not to waste. Water is stored by nature. Choose the correct answer. Water is stored by nature in ponds, tanks, pots, buckets. Ponds. Which water body contains fresh water? Oceans, rivers, seas, none of these. Rivers. To take drinking water from a container, you should use a short-handled vessel, long-handled vessel, spoon, bowl. Long-handled vessel. We contaminate our drinkable water by throwing litter in it, keeping it clean, keeping it in the sun, boiling it. Throwing litter in it. Water is wasted by bathing under a shower, using a bucket to take a bath, closing taps properly, rainwater harvesting. Bathing under a shower. Match the rows. Forms of water. Solid, liquid and gas. Freshwater bodies. Rivers, lakes and ponds. Water contamination. Throwing litter. Covered containers. Stored water. Water vapor. Evaporation. Write true or false. Ocean water can be used for drinking. False. Water is the basic requirement of only humans. Other living things do not need water. False. Water is used in factories to make soft drinks and other products. True. You can dip your hands in a container to take drinking water. False. In rainwater harvesting, rainwater is collected from roofs, tops and stored for later use. True. Answer the following question. Why were the first villages for around the world built near rivers? The first villages around the world built near rivers, they need water. All human beings need water. So in the first beginning, when they are settling down, they searched for water. So they built all villages near the rivers. What do you mean by contaminated water? Contaminate water means dirtying or polluting fresh water. What is meant by recycling water? Recycling water means treating the used water from our homes and factories and make it available for further use. Explain rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater from the roofs of buildings and other areas and storing it for later use. Rainwater is usually collected from the roofs of buildings and stored in underground tanks, pits, and wells to use for different purposes. What are the ways in which we can save water or use water carefully to avoid wastage? So these points, leaving what are the ways in which we can save water or use carefully avoid water? So close the taps while brushing, shaving and washing dishes. Operate washing machine or dishwashers with full load. Using bucket while take a bath. So always use a correct without leaking taps. These are all the ways to save water. Understood? For this we finished our exercise part of the lesson water. Tomorrow we will see 13th lesson, means of transport. Okay? Thank you.